What's up, guys? It's Cloud. I'm in your neighborhood. It's almost Mother's Day, and I passed by Daiso store, and I found this carnation flowers. And I came up with an idea that maybe I can do something with these flowers. I love my mom. She's always supportive, and when I was a child, my dad's violence was really terrible, and I was always bleeding, but she was really protective for me. So this project is for you, Mom. I will cover my eyebrows, and I've already made a video about the eyebrow things. So if you want to learn how to hide eyebrows, look at the video I made before. Let's try this pink from Shuemura palette. I already like this. Let's use this white. I'm going to use this red. White mascara. Let's try white eyelashes. Do you guys like your mom? I love my mom. Okay, eyelashes are perfect. I want a little more pink underneath my eyes. So let's do it. So I'm going to cut these flowers and apply it on my eyebrows. That's cool. This is really easy and accurate. Wow, I like it. I've never used this one before, but I think this color is nice. I'm gonna use a lot of highlight today, so let's get wet. Okay, my makeup is done. I'm gonna get dressed, do my hair, and I'll be back. So this is my final look. I like this earring, and I added white freckles, and this completes my look. If you like this video, smash like button and don't forget to subscribe as well, and see you next video guys. See ya.